Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply a magnesium sulfate dressing. First, gather your supplies: magnesium sulfate paste, sterile gauze, adhesive tape, and an antiseptic wipe. Always begin by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This helps prevent infection. Next, gently clean the skin around the affected area using an antiseptic wipe, ensuring it is dry before proceeding. Now, let's apply the paste. Take a clean spatula or a gloved finger and apply a generous, thick layer of magnesium sulfate paste directly onto the affected skin. Make sure the paste completely covers the inflamed or swollen area. Remember, you don't need to rub it in. Just spread it evenly across the surface for optimal effect. Once the paste is applied, cover it with a sterile gauze pad. This helps keep the paste in place and protects the area. Use medical adhesive tape to secure the gauze firmly. Make sure the dressing is snug enough to stay put, but not so tight that it restricts blood flow or causes discomfort. You want it to be secure yet comfortable. For aftercare, change the dressing every 12 to 24 hours or as directed by a healthcare professional. When changing, gently remove the old dressing and clean the skin area thoroughly before applying fresh paste and a new dressing. Always dispose of used materials properly and wash your hands again to maintain hygiene. This routine helps promote healing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.